This is the Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300, a beginner-oriented DJ controller aimed at novice DJs eager to get started in DJing. And though there may be a ton of DJ controllers that look and function like this, the Impulse 300 is the only controller I know that actually teaches you how to beat match, mix, and even select songs. Thank God this thing doesn't make YouTube videos or else I'll be out of the job. Now the Impulse 300 only costs $200 and it comes with DJUCED software. And unlike other beginner DJ-oriented controllers out there, this controller software of choice is a full-fledged version of it. So modes like beat roll mode, beat slicer mode, beat jump mode, slip mode, sampler mode, and the ability to record your mixes and more are all available right from the get-go. The controller's hardware, on the other hand, is pretty tight. The jog wheels, faders, effects section, and EQ section all feel standard and nicely located. We have 8 performance pads and 1 effect section for each deck. The pads feel responsive and rubbery, but they do feel slightly harder to press than other beginner DJ-oriented controllers out there. The effect knobs though feel also kinda stiff compared to the other knobs in this controller, and that's a good thing, especially if you're into effects and getting that exact amount of effect on a deck. I especially like the jog wheels though because they have a nice weight to them and feel more solid than other beginner DJ-oriented controllers I've used in the past. Overall, the layout and feel of the controller is pretty solid. For a controller worth only $200, the hardware and software feel worth way more than that. I can't say the same though for the hardware and software integration in terms of scratching. Though everything else works and functions as they should, the feeling of scratching just doesn't feel as tight. There's a slight delay only scratches like me will notice, and it's a shame you can't adjust the software's latency to make up for it by making it more responsive. That for me is my only gripe with the controller, but everything else works and functions as they should with a beginner DJ-oriented controller, and that may be a problem for a DJ company like Hercules. If their controller follows the conventional feel and setup we've gotten used to, how do they aim to separate themselves from other DJ companies like Pioneer DJ, Serato, Native Instruments, and more? This is where the Impulse 300's trump card comes in, and that's the controller's ability to teach and guide beginners how to DJ, beat match, and even select songs. And it does so in 2 interconnected ways, and let's discuss the first. The first way involves free online DJ tutorials that teach you the basics on how to use the controller and all of its features. Tutorials on beat matching, understanding the controller's layout, and organizing your music are all here. And what's cool about this is the integration of the software and hardware in teaching you those things. Which brings us to the second way it teaches you, and that's through its beat matching guide system and intelligent music assistant. Let's first talk about its beat matching guide system. The jog wheels and tempo fader all feature this light guiding system which tells you where to push or pull the platter and where to adjust the tempo fader. So for example, if the song you want to mix is faster than the current song playing, then the tempo fader will indicate that you should bring it down. Now if the song you're mixing in is not in time with the current song, the joggle beat align indicator will tell you where to push or pull the platter. So the controller guides you on how to mix and not just rely on the sync button to do the heavy lifting. It teaches you the proper movements of manually beat matching, so when you do beat match, you'll know what to do. Now once a beginner DJ learns the ropes of beat matching, they can easily turn off the beat matching guide system and test and train themselves. But being a DJ is not all about mixing music and beat matching, it's also about selecting the right tracks at the right time. The Impulse 300 comes with the Energy feature, an IMA or Intelligent Music Assistant, which is capable of suggesting tracks based on what's in your library, what's trending in the world, energy level of song, and overall vibe of the night. It's a pretty useful tool to use when you need some guidance to know what song you should play next, and it's especially helpful for beginners who are getting used to their tracks and their effectivity on the dance floor. Overall, the Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300 is an excellent beginner DJ controller that has all the features and bells and whistles of other beginner DJ controllers out there, plus more. If you want to fast-track your progress in learning how to DJ, mix music, and if you're on a $200 budget, then the Impulse 300 is perfect for you. But that's just me. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this controller, and let's talk about it. And with that said, this is DJ Carlo Attendido, and I will see you all in the next one. I definitely suggest you guys to first use whatever you have with you right now. So if that's your cell phone, if that's your laptop, then use that. But if you really want to get started in DJing, what's the best thing that you can buy? Definitely whatever you can afford. Use whatever that is to get you where you want to go. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not the equipment you use, it's how you use it. Be it a phone, a computer, or like a crappy controller.